Hey guys, today I am actually going to give you guys a room tour when it comes to my sewing area. This video is for inspiring fashion designers and, just letting you know what type of tools and items I have that you can incorporate in your sewing room. So right now I have this beautiful cutting table. This table is adjustable. You can take these down if you don't have space for a cutting table. You can move this over, take this down, make it smaller, take it down and put it up and put it away. It's really sturdy. It's pretty strong and very heavy. Down here I have like my inner facing, this is like stuff where I stuff the pillows and everything and stuff like that. I have scrap fabrics over here. This is where I keep all my sewing patterns and everything like that, and I just hang it up. It's very easy and more convenient for me to just pick it up and keep it moving. My rulers where I take and I do create my own sewing patterns, so I use that for pattern making. A star bag, hey friend. Over here is the actual sewing table. I have 3 sewing machines. I used to have 4. I gave one to my cousin, but here, I barely use this machine. Most of the foots that I have in here can go on that machine compared to my Bernina. I have just, random tools and everything in here to help me sew. I have my clips, my bobbins, obviously a variety of foots, and then these are where my needles and everything are at for the sewing machine. I have mini cutting mats, and then this is for if I'm making like a leather, just hardware, so I can bang it on with the hammer so it won't be like crazy loud. Very useful. This is another ruler, clear one. This is very convenient. Like every seamstress need this type of ruler. Boning, elastic, more tools to mark. This is where I place all my threads. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It wasn't even crazy expensive, super affordable. I have more stuff here when it comes to trimming and, sew-on snaps, rectangular rings, my scissors, hammer. Most of these are ribbons in here, truthfully, down here. My gold ruler, which comes in handy all the time. This is what I use to create straps. Favorite sewing machine for years. This machine is an overlock machine. It's my serger. It's my finishing machine. I have all my rhinestones here. Obviously, you see I've been using them, so it's in a tray to make it easy for me. I have like some circle rings for whatever I want to use it for. This is for like leather making. I have the edging and the glues and stuff like that. And just random stuff. Pins and everything like that. Hand sew, sequence. And then these are for, obviously, for the rhinestones. I have some jean buttons that I can use. There's more glue, some more sewing buttons, and just extra tools to like make jewelry and everything like that. I have some like alligator skin, faux leather, and in my ring light dress form, I have 2 hats here that I've pretty much been working on. I'm about to like stud this one out. It's gonna be annoying. And here's my pins. All my sewing needles are here. My chark. This one is my favorite one. It's super cool. I like how it just rotates and come out. Over here is my desk where I do all my work, edit, content create, and everything like that. And yeah, my inspiration board is here. And then I have just inspiration of collections that I put on the wall over here and everything like that. But this is my sewing room. My sewing room obviously is in my bedroom for now, but in due time I will grow. And sooner or later I will have my own place where I can have the sewing room separate from my bedroom. Because my bed is in the room with my sewing stuff, it tend to help with the lack of motivation. But I kicked out of that. Now I'm just like, no, I don't need to be motivated all the time. I just need to do. But I hope you like this video, and I hope for inspiring fashion designers out there, girls that are dreaming to be a fashion designer. You can start in your bedroom and just start with a table. I don't know, like work what you got. Get a sewing machine, start with a table, and just build it. I didn't get all this stuff. It took me a few years to get. It wasn't happening like overnight, like I'm purchasing everything right now. It took me some time. Definitely like what works for me. I sat there and I'm like, all right, this tool, I like this tool. I'm going to keep this tool. So you got to figure out like the things that you like to use when you sew and everything like that, and just create that beautiful space for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.